Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Don't skip this video. Add photo gallery. Open Light Tools. Adjust exposure. Adjust contrast. Adjust blacks. Open color mix. Adjust yellow color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust blue color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust pink color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust orange color. Adjust luminous. Adjust saturation. Click to Done. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Open Effects. Adjust texture. Adjust clarity. Adjust vignette. Adjust midpoint. Adjust feather. Adjust highlights. Adjust curve. Download preset in description. Click to Done. Export image. Please subscribe my channel. Please like me.